So I'm in the heart of London in Oxford Circus talking to Aisha Suleiman, clinic founder and clinical director of Skin Perfection London. So Aisha, there's a lot of different medi-spas and clinics around this area, notably Harley Street, which is just a stone's throw away. Why are you guys so popular, and what do you and your team do differently that brings people in?
We are a female-only clinic offering a female-only service, and actually we're London's only female clinic offering that service.
Wow, okay.
So all of our doctors, our practitioners are female, and our patients are actually female as well.
And why do you do that? Why do you think that's so important?
So we chose that route because I think years and years of treating myself and actually being a patient myself in large chain clinics in Harley Street and other clinics, I really sympathise with how patients felt with coming out from a treatment, maybe having that red top lip after having a laser treatment, and having to wait in a waiting room with maybe a hot guy or men in the in the environment, and just feeling really uncomfortable. So we wanted to offer that service where they could just come in a really relaxed environment and feel completely relaxed before having the treatments, because sometimes it's a little bit scary having the treatments anyway. So just feeling a lot more comfortable for me was really important.
I think you said earlier there's about 6 of you, so it's a nice intimate affair here where it's very personable.
Absolutely. So I definitely say that the real main thing for us that stands out is our patient journey. So for every patient that comes in, we offer a skin observe, which yourself you had earlier, which we really detail exactly what's going on underneath the skin. That skin observe then actually tailor makes an individual personal treatment plan for every patient that comes to us, and it will map out exactly what's going on. The great thing about it is that after their whole treatment plan, we get them back under at their review stage, and we can show them before and afters and reveal before and after images. I'm doing that because we do overlays. So we get their before images up on one side and their after images, and you can really see the details of the improvements that we've done. And it's just coaching every patient through every step of their journey, and our patient care and our personal service is really what we dedicate our time to when every patient comes through the door here.
I was under the skin observe.
Yes.
What did we see?
So
then?
yes,
what
absolutely. So for your skin, you mentioned that the main concerns were some brown spots, some sun damage, and a little bit of redness.
I mean, those are things I didn't know I had though. That's what's great about the machine, that I thought it was just pigmentation, but
yes,
like
absolutely. So it will reveal everything, so what's going on underneath and why we have these problems. So in your case, we would offer a laser treatment. So there's many different treatments we have, whether it's laser hair removal, laser facial treatment to remove the pigmentation, the veins, dermafrac, which is microneedling, skin peels, which we can treat all skin concerns from rosacea to acne, which is patients that suffer with spots or breakouts. So many different skin concerns. And for yourself, with the brown spots and the red spots that you have, we discussed carrying out the photofacial treatment. It's very personal, very individual. Everybody has a different treatment planned according to their needs.
If you were to say your most popular 4 treatments, what would they be?
Yeah, I would certainly say laser hair removal. It's bread and butter nowadays. I think every patient has laser hair removal. It's very much like waxing, or gone are the days of waxing laser hair removal, because it's more of a permanent result. Photofacial absolutely is something that's really quite popular here, because so many patients have sun damage, whether it's broken veins or pigmentation, and that just causes like I said, the redness or the mottling of the skin, where patients just feel uncomfortable and they want to, they can't leave the house without applying makeup. So, our objective is to remove all those imperfections, or to reduce those imperfections, so that they don't feel so, unconfident really. So we do change people's lives. It's great. You see some people coming in with their hair down, and after their treatment they're out, they've got the hair up, and they're just totally different. And we're so passionate about changing that for patients.
And so those would be your most popular ones, you
said? So photofacial, also our dermafrac procedure, because it's a 4-in-1 treatment, and it's kind of a red carpet treatment. So if you're looking to go out on the night out, you've got a special event planned, a wedding, a birthday, whatever it was, and you really wanted a result a little bit stronger than a microdermabrasion, but with no downtime. So, and when I talk about downtime, I'm talking about redness, peeling, those type of things. So dermafrac is a 4-in-1 treatment, so it's great value for money for the patients. They get the microdermabrasion beforehand to lift off the dead skin cells, the microneedling, which is a procedure which tightens the skin, really rejuvenates the skin. We then do a peptide infusion, so simultaneously while the needles are needling the skin, it sounds a bit scary, but it's totally fine. The peptide is delivered underneath, and then we carry out an LED light therapy. when a patient comes in for a consultation, I think it's really important to really spend time with the individual to find out what their social activities are, what their workplace environment is like, because everybody's different. Some patients may not want a treatment that's going to leave them a bit red, a bit peeling, a bit swollen, so we will address that, and we will obviously give them the best treatment that's suitable for them.
Yeah.
So there are treatments that do peel the skin, that you have a little bit of downtime, so whether it's redness, peeling, flaking of the skin, then you know that's maybe for someone, but if it's not for another person, we would obviously go on the lighter entry level point treatments, which would have minimal downtime, so maybe a little bit of redness afterwards, which is a nice healthy glow,
yeah.
But no more than that.
Okay, wow, I think we've got a new patient.
Yeah,
actually.
absolutely.
So, well, thank you so much for talking to me,
Yes.
and it all sounds great, and I can see why you're so popular.
Oh, thank you, thank you very much, thank you.